आज की वीडियो में हम कवर करने वाले हैं प्रिविलेज एक्सेस विद IAM की चैलेंज लैब एंड ये है GSP526। तो चलो इस लैब को स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं विदाउट एनी डिले एंड इसको खोल लेंगे हम इनकॉग्निटो विंडो में एंड जस्ट यूज़ द फर्स्ट यूज़र नेम, okay, and then just copy this user password and paste it here and hit enter and just click on I understand. Okay, so just click on this I am an admin and click on this privileged access manager. Okay, first click on this I agree and continue. So just click on this and click on this privileged access manager. Okay, and then simply click on grant role. Okay, so we have to basically grant role. Okay, so just click on this setup PAM. Okay, then click on this grant role and then click on this complete setup. Now from here you have to create. Okay, so just click on the create option and scroll down to task number 2. Okay, we have done the first task, so we will get the success here. Now copy the entitlement name, so control V, and for the role we have to give it a compute admin role. So just click on this, paste there so that you can get the role easily. Now hit enter. Okay, now the maximum duration for the grant is 10 hours, so just select 10 hours, do one. Okay, so it's already mentioned here. Click on next. Okay, request a principal, just copy this particular ID, paste this. Okay, and just click on this, and now for the approvers, copy this. Okay, click on the next, and for the approver principal, paste this. Okay, and for the number of approvers required, it's 1. Okay, so click next and click on finally create entitlement, and an entitlement would be created, and after the entitlement would be created you will definitely get success here. So just wait for some time till it's get created. Okay, now click on check my progress and you will get the success. Yeah, now you have to update the entitlement. Okay, so you have to update the maximum duration to 4 hours. Now go back here. Okay, and click on entitlement for all users. Okay, now click on edit entitlement and you have to do the maximum duration to 4 hours. Okay, so just click on this, click on 4 hours, update entitlement, click on confirm, and the second step is also updating. You can see here when it's done you would get a green tick like this. Okay, and then you can click on check my progress. Okay, now you have to request grant basically. Okay, so just go back to your lab, click on my entitlements, click on request grant duration to 4 hours. Okay, so just click on request grant. Okay, now what you have to do, just click on this, click on add account. Okay, go back to this username and password, copy this username, paste here, copy the password of this username and paste it here and hit enter, and now click on I understand. Okay, click here. Okay, now click on this agree and continue, click on this and select this project with like GCP. Now click on this, click on I am admin and click on this privileged access manager. Okay, now what you have to do is click on this approve grants and click on approve. Okay, just click on approve simply, put the comment, just approve. Okay, now you have to just click on check my progress, and it will take some time to get approved. Okay, so just wait for some time till it gets, just wait for few minutes. I think it's approved, so we can go here and click on this check my progress. What you have to do is you have to revoke the agent. Okay, so let's revoke the agent. So just click on grant. Okay, and grant for all users, and just click on this and click on revoke grant and click on revoke. Okay, and your grant will be revoked. I think it's revoked. Just click on this check my progress. Yeah, now you have to delete your entitlement which you have created. Let's just go back to your lab, go back to your previous ID. How will you? Just click on, I think the previous ID was 01F21. It was 01, this was this. Just click on this entitlement section, entitlement for all users, 3 dots, and click on delete entitlement and delete entitlement, and the entitlement would be deleted. Simply click on this check my progress and your lab would be completed with 100% score. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and just do not forget to subscribe my channel, like this video and hype my video of course. Meet you in the next lab video. Till then, take care and bye bye.